Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where I talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, I wanted to talk about one of my top stocks, ticker symbol APLD, Applied Digital. Is up as much as 12.84% over the last 5 days or so. Again, this is one of the data center stocks. Again, they are surging up 3.737%. And if we look at the last month, the shares were as low as $21-22 per share, and now is back up over $32 per share. Okay, so ticker symbol APLD is one of my hottest stocks over last month, up significantly over 20% over the last month. All right, now let's go to my portfolio. All right, hot stock today is Tesla. Tesla shares are up as much as 1.32% for a gain of 200. Coreweave, another part of the data center build out, is up 4.81%. And ticker symbol APLD, just as I mentioned, up today 1.53, but up as much as 30% over last month. And Walmart shares up as much as 1.32%. All right. Another ticker I wanted to talk about today was Echostar. Okay, we saw Echostar shares surge as much as 5.90% during the day, and then after hours bump up another 8% for a gain of over 13%. Okay, Echostar shares surging after news. Okay, so Echostars is up as much as 11.9% after SpaceX and AT&T Spectrum deal shifts its asset mix. All right. Also, SpaceX valuation chatter lifts satellite stock. Okay, so SpaceX buying into Echostar raises the value of Echostar over 11% after hours. Okay, so SpaceX buying more spectrum from AT&T, shares surging over 14% today. All right, so that was one of the hottest stocks. Now, real quick, we'll go to the news. All right, the Fed, Jerome Powell, expected to speak tomorrow. His decision is expected to feature a rate cut about a quarter of a point, 0.25, and that is to help with the inflation and also speed the economy up as unemployment is tickering higher. Okay, so we know several layoffs from Amazon and other tech companies over the last 3 or 4 months, causing unemployment to rise. And one of the major mandates of the Fed is to keep unemployment low and inflation lower. All right, so those are the two mandates: maintain inflation, and maintain unemployment at a low rate. All right, so we know unemployment has ticked up as AI has started replacing several jobs, whether it's white collar, blue collar. Several swaths of the economy have been replaced um, in anticipation over AI productivity gains. Companies like Meta has also slashed jobs as well. So that's the news there. Um, Jim Cramer rejects Wall Street doubts about Nvidia. Also about the Apple and Warner Brothers Discovery deal. So on my last video, I talked about how Netflix is buying Warner Brothers, but now Paramount has made a bid as well to buy Warner Brothers. So that's been some of the news over the last week or two. Netflix buying Warner Brothers. All right, Netflix, as I mentioned, looking at buying Warner Brothers. If we look at the last 5 years, their stock has been up over 93%. If we look over the last year, the stock is up 4%. And on the news of them buying Warner Brothers, shares have ticked down a little over 11%. If the Netflix deal does not go through, Warner Brothers, uh, then the stock could crater further. All right, but Netflix looking at making a big power move, looking to purchase Warner Brothers. Again, this is a stock that I'm going to stick with. I'm up over 4% of the last year and up over 93% of the last 5 years. And for my position, I'm up a little over 124%. Okay, so that is the big news. Again, Netflix swings for the fences to purchase Warner Brothers. Okay, again, the major deal, Warner Brothers Discovery deal, draws a lot of attention from Paramount. Paramount is Paramount Skydance. Larry Ellison and his son are looking to purchase uh, WBD. Again, WBD shares up as several bidders look to purchase Warner Brothers Discovery. Those shares are up slightly as Paramount makes a bid to buy the shares. Again, Warner Brothers closing today a little bit up over 3%. And for the last week since the deal was mentioned, shares up as much as 17%. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.